Let's see. Is the bird still in here? None over there. I think it might be gone.
I'm too scared he's ever blown that fucking horn for help. He must have had the doors open and got him out.
Yeah, probably. Look at that squirrel.
What are you looking at me for? See, the doors were open. He got out.
Yeah. Now watch the squirrel come in. He's looking
You
at
look like a chipmunk.
Or you scared it away.
I'm sorry. Fucking nasty crap. I don't need that shit.
I'm still recording. Callie, quit that.
Yeah. It's right there.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. Keep going. It's a bird right there and no one even notices this. You're gonna scare him. Oh! Ah! Help!
Come on. Oh, jeez.
Go!
Come on.
Get him out that way. Get him out that
Come
way.
on.
Go! That way. Oh, shit.
Get that way. Ew. Callie, go this way.
Tell him I'm getting the guy. I have no idea how to get the fucking bird.
Cut. Come on, Birdie. No, go this way. Come on, bird. You have to go this way. I guess not. Hey, wait for me. Oh, wait. Okay, this is shutting off.